So the question is about decompose the given table into 2NF and 3NF relation. Okay. So your universal relation is A to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, and you have set of functional dependencies. A, B tends to C, A determines D, B determines F, F determines G, H, D determines I, J. So first we have to calculate what is the key of the given relation. So using the closure, try to find out which is your key. For this problem, your key is AB because your given AB tends to C, or your AB, if you take out the closure for these two attributes, it can determine all the attributes present in the relation. Your AB can determine together all the set of attributes. So that is your key for this given relation. So next is, now I have to take the table and decompose it into 2NF and 3NF. First let us write the relational schema for this particular table. So write down all the attributes from A to J, and you have already found out it is AB is your prime attribute. So AB I have underlined, indicating it is a primary key. Now list down what are the functional dependencies for this particular problem. AB tends to C. So I am writing AB tends to C, that is my FD1. Next is A tends to DE. So A tends to DE. So this is your second functional dependency. So for all the rest of the functional dependencies, just mark it. So this is your initial step. Now for the next step, I have to determine whether the given table is in 2NF. Let us assume for this problem, all the attributes are in 1NF form. That is, all attributes contains only atomic values. So the table is in 1NF. Now we have to determine whether the table is in 2NF. What is the condition for 2NF? The table should not contain partial dependency. So what is the meaning of partial dependency? If I have my candidate key as AB, AB can together determine C, but if my attribute B determines C, now this is a prime attribute because it is part of my primary key. Okay, any attribute which is part of my primary key is called as prime attribute. My prime attribute alone single-handedly cannot determine my non-prime attribute. So that becomes your partial dependency. I should avoid this in my 2NF. So what I'll do, I have to decompose this existing table into correct 2NF form. So what are the partial dependencies which is existing in my table? Since this is AB is my primary key, it can determine C. This is correct. What about my next functional dependency? A is part of my primary key, that is single. So now it is trying to determine D and D. So this is your partial dependency. Next, B is part of my primary key. Now it is trying to determine my F attribute. So this is also partially, partial dependency occurs in this also. So I have to remove these two. So how to remove? Split it into two more tables. Let AB determine C. Let A determine D, E, I, J, and B determine F, G, H. Now this current relation R1, R1A, R1B are in 2NF form. Now check whether these tables are in 3NF form. What is the condition of 3NF? 3NF means it is transitive dependency. The table should not contain transitive dependency. So how to do it? What is the meaning of transitive dependency? A tends to B, B tends to C. So this is your transitive dependency. So whether my table contains transitive dependency? Yes. Your prime attribute is determining non-prime attribute, and your non-prime attribute is in turn determining non-prime attributes. So your prime is determining non-prime. Again your non-prime is in turn determining other non-prime attributes. This is your transitive dependency, which is happening in this case as well as in this case, because A is determining D, D in turn is determining IJ. Here B is determining F, F is in turn determining G and H. So let us split this table into two more tables. So the first table remains as it is. Second table, I'll just write A tends to DE. D in turn is now determining Ij. So that I have made it as a separate table and I have taken D as my primary key over here. Same way, this table I'll write B and F in the previous one. I'll remove G and H and I'll make it as a new table with F as my primary key. So now the current table is in 3NF. If they are asked with is this table in BCNF form, just check whether all the attributes on the right hand side are non-prime and whether my left hand is a primary key. So this table also satisfies your BCNF because it does not contain any dependency which states a non-prime is determining prime anta. So all are in a perfect form, that is prime is determining non-prime attributes. So the table is also is a BCNF.